You should always peel the sticker off the tag before you put the new sticker on. If you put the new sticker over top, the new sticker, if they pull the whole thing off, the new sticker stays on the old sticker. Otherwise, if they pull just the old sticker off, it all reads void. But this is crazy. I figured this out when I took this off. The new sticker will stick right to that, and they can have your new sticker. Whenever you do your tag, always take and scrape that off real good and put the new sticker down. Then it'll read void when it comes up if they try to take it off.